Hi, bro, there's me Melon in the Melon playground, so my friend Lucas.
Said me he needs help for editing, so I help him.
To start, we got the zombie. Zombie is bad, eats zombie for healing, but still bad because can't use medicine or even snake oil. I meant baby oil. And the vampire is good because he got buff and get heal when you use vampire. Knife, by the way, you need snake oil to stop the sunburn. Snake oil is a sunscreen for vampire, and the Alamo is good for definitely defense on early, is even good for protection on the house when is night, and the Atronus gives for Molotov has her ability to get double damage, also good for killing a town, and that's it.